Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can permanently delete your Spotify account. So without further ado, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is select a web browser of your preference and type in the URL open.spotify.com, which will directly redirect you to its home screen. Once you are in its home screen, you need to click on the profile icon on the right of the corner and click on the account section. Once you end up in account overview, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page where you can find close accounts. So you just need to click on the link given and scroll down and click on don't have premium. There you can find close your account with this link, so you just need to simply click on the given link. So once you click on it, it will ask you a few questions about if you are sure to close your account or not. So at the end, it will send a mail in your linked email address to finalize your closure of the account. So you just need to click on the link sent and you are all set with a closed Spotify account. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.